Hi there, meet me again in new CNC channel. Okay, WordPress now has released newest version 5.0 and they replace classic editor with newest editor using Gutenberg. Now, I know you are out there as blogger is really confused with this new editor. In here, I will show basically how to type or writing in Gutenberg editor. Let's start it. Okay, in here I prepare my article first, and you can type any article you want. If the classic editor with a simple interface, in the Gutenberg editor the main concept is we are editing in blog setting. Okay, this is the blog for title, but this is cannot remove, I think. Okay, you put your title article in here, for example. Okay, and then in the paragraph you can just block, for example, uh, because I have article prepared before, I just paste in here. This is, I think, the inconvenience with Gutenberg editor. They are not perfectly to read the space of the words you can see there, and we just do it manually. Okay, while in the general article or the real article, the space is out there. Okay, now because this is we are editing per block, and the next question is how to remove the block. For example, you can just activate on your block that you want to remove, and you can click here, and then you can choose remove block if you don't need this first paragraph. Okay, uh, that is to remove block, and I want to undo. And then the next question is make heading. You can just block in here or just activate on your block heading. Just click heading like this. uh, this is I think the lack of newest Gutenberg editor. I now found to change the heading color. If you change color of your paragraph, it's very easy. You can just move in the right section. Okay, you just make background color or text color like red. You make the block is orange. You can see there. If you choose one block, they also all of color is correct. Whenever you choose little or much for your words, it will make all of your block its content, the text, uh, follow the color you are set. Okay, we know that the classic editor is better, but I think this is for development or still development, and if the lack of will resolve in the future. Now, how to add image? For add image, this is I think the improvement rather than in the classic editor. If using Gutenberg editor, we very easy to add image, but it's very hard to control pick numbering like this, or order list like this. I want to show how to add image. For example, I want to, okay, I will repeat. I remove block. This is words in here. If I want to add image above, I click add in the above, but I want to add image in bottom of I just click add block in bottom here. I want to add image in above, so I click image. Now if you are familiar with classic editor, you can choose media library like this, and then just upload your new image like this, and now you can add image, okay, like this. Just click select. for the for the image properties, you can go to the right section and then choose document. I'm sorry, I think I'm in choose block, and then you can just uh, make the size is full, minimize, or big in here. Okay, I usually choose full, and then you can just click 100%. This is for setting link. You can just uh, choose the media file while the user click image or attachment pic is your current post URL, and the custom URL is if you want to using custom URL. Okay, and this is, I think, the most so hard in new Gutenberg editor. While you you have a number section, this is very hard to control in this. So I usually delete the number section in here, and then using number section, okay, I block and then I delete this. You can see there, this is very hard to control. I'm usually hit enter this or delete. You can see there, this is very hard, and I choose to remove block and then make one block again as paragraph, and then type again using number manual like this. Okay, and then you can bold in here. This is that I think Gutenberg editor so hard to control the number list in article. Okay, the last section is for document. You can just using custom permalink in here. Okay, you can choose in above section and change permalink. This is the lack of or in new editor in WordPress. The permalinks usually not like our setting in uh, WordPress setting permalink. Where is the permalink? This is, you can see there, our permalink is like this, but in the new Gutenberg editor they not show like the classic editor. Okay, you may want to save as draft and then reload again to see the permalink is changed or not. Okay, you can see there it must reload. For tag error category, it's usually you can just type tag and separate it by comma. For example, like this. Okay, uh, just separate by comma. You can see it's very simple, and now you can just preview like this. Okay, that's all tutorial about how to use Gutenberg new editor for WordPress. It's very hard, but one or not, we will or WordPress will use this for the future. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.